Yo! So what do you think? This company has always had the feel of a family, and I want to thank everyone here for keeping it that way. We cannot tell you how proud we are every time we walk through this front door. This building and this company would not be here today if it were not for the faith, the loyalty, and the friendship of all of you guys who supported us over the years. Hey, the way I see it, we already had the best people in the industry, we've got the best products in the industry, and now we have the best facility in this industry. So let's cut this ribbon and go kick some butt.
Congratulations on 30 years in business. It's pretty amazing. And most of all, I just want to thank you all for still making this a great place to come to work every day, where we can still enjoy what we're doing, grow like crazy, and have fun at the same time. So you guys are awesome. We've built an awesome company together. Thank you.